Hi students, today we are going to see remaining sums in concept 1, right? So before entering into that, we have to recall the formulas, and that is very important formulas. And there is nothing but a number of revolutions in 1 minute or number of rotations, right? So number of rotation or revolution in 1 minute is equal to distance traveled in 1 minute divided by circumference of wheel. Distance travel in 1 minute is equal divided by circumference of wheel, right? And very important note, right? This formula yesterday itself we have discussed, right? And very important note, it's nothing but conversion. Converting kilometer per hour to meter per second, right? Conversion from kilometer per hour to meter per second, then we have to multiply by 5 by 18, right? Suppose if you are converting meter per second to kilometer per hour, then we have to multiply by 18 by 5, right? So these and all we will use, right? So and before entering into that, right, while we are solving, you have to keep it on, keep it one thing in your mind. This very important thing, that's nothing but distance traveled in 1 minute, right? Here, and circumference of a wheel, right? And these two should be a same units. Like if I am taking the distance in meter, in circumference radius also should be in terms of meter. Suppose if the distance in centimeter, right, the circumference, the radius also, right, the circumference of the wheel also in terms, it should be in the form of centimeter only, right? Suppose it is in the form of kilometer or meter, right, we have to convert. And we have to keep the both the distance and the circumference should be a same units. That's very important, right? That is very important, right? And here also, while we are taking that number of revolution, we are taking for 1 minute, and distance also traveled, we have to take the distance also taking only 1 minute, right? Suppose here we are taking 10 minutes, here we have to take 10 minutes. That's very important. These are very important. If we are forget to if you have forget and we are here, if you have take here 1 minute and here we have take 10 minutes, means the entire answer will be wrong, right? And one more thing, if I am taking the distance in meter and solving circumference in centimeter, then the entire it will get wrong, right? So please be conscious while you are solving, the units are same or not, you have to check. If it is not same, first convert to the same units, then you can substitute and simplify. That's very important. You know that conversion kilometer to meter, we want to multiply by 1000, meter to centimeter we want to multiply by 100, centimeter to millimeter they won't ask, but you just get it, centimeter to millimeter centimeter multiplying by 10, right? And just converting centimeter to meter divided by 100, meter to kilometer divided by 1000, right? And not only for the timing also, we want to know that for 1 hour 60 minutes, right? For 1 minute 60 seconds, right? So seconds, we are discussing about seconds and hours, right? So be conscious while you are solving, right? Sum number 7, Pooja has a bicycle whose wheels makes 5000 revolutions in moving 11 kilometer. Find the diameter of the wheel, right? Pooja has a bicycle. So first write the given, what are givens we are having, and write what we want to find. After that, which formula is needed, write the formula, and whatever we are having in the given, just substitute and simplify, you will get the answers, right? First write the given, what are things we are having? 5000 revolutions. So number of revolutions, right? Number of revolutions is equal to 5000. Number of revolutions is equal to 5000. And next, in moving 11 kilometer, that means distance traveled, right? Distance. So distance is nothing but how much more? 11 kilometer, 5000, and distance is nothing but 11 kilometer. Now what we want to find, that's all. The given thing is nothing but that's all, right? 5000 revolution in moving 11 kilometer. In moving 11 kilometer, that is distance 11 kilometer. Find the diameter of the wheel. That means what we want to find? To find diameter, d we want to find diameter, right? Diameter, can write diameter itself, because distance also we will use d, right? And diameter also will use d, so we will get confused. So better you can write to find diameter we want to find. So what are things we are having? See the number of revolutions and distance, we know that, and diameter is nothing but it's a part of a circumference of a circle, diameter, right? So if you know the radius, then we can easily find that. So by using the formula, which formula? Number of revolution, right? So number of revolutions is equal to, right? Number of revolutions is equal to distance traveled in 1 minute divided by circumference. Divided by circumference. Here number of revolutions is nothing but 5000. 5000 is equal to distance. How much distance they have covered? 11 kilometer. I told you that 11 kilometer, but now we are going to find the diameter of the wheel, right? Radius of the wheel or diameter of the wheel. So if you are finding the diameter of wheel in terms of kilometer, how it will be? It will be very complicated, right? So better you can convert to the kilometer to meter or centimeter. Better you can keep in the centimeter, because maximum that the wheel, right? The diameter of the wheel should be in terms of centimeter only, right? We can't keep it in the, we can't say in the kilometer. So better you can convert to the centimeter. So first time just converting kilometer to meter, just multiply by 1000, then will become what is it? 11 into 1000 meter, right? 11 into 1000 meter. 11 kilometers nothing but 11 into 1000 meter. Next time I'm going to convert meter to centimeter. So multiplying once again by 100. So it will become what is it? 11 into 1000 into 100 centimeter, right? 11 into 1000 into 100 centimeter. So this is nothing but I have converted kilometers nothing but now I have converted to centimeters, right? Now you can substitute 11 into 1000 into 100, right, divided by, what is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r, right? 2 pi r, right? I'm just taking 2 pi r to the LHS and 5000 to the RHS. Then it will become what is it? 2 pi r is equal to 11 into 1000 into 100 divided by 5000. First simplify. 3 zeros are there. Simply cancelling. And 5 1 times. Here 100. How many times? 5 1 is 5, 2, 20 times. So what is the remaining? 2 pi r is equal to 11 into 20. Right? 2 pi r into is equal to 11 into 20. I'm just keeping the r alone, the LHS, and taking 2 pi to the RHS. Right? I'm just taking 2 pi to the RHS. Then multiply will become divide. So r is equal to 11 into 20 divided by 2 into pi. Right? 2 pi or 2 into pi. But already we know the value of pi. What is the value of pi? Pi is equal to 22 by 7. Substitute pi value 22 by 7. Then r is equal to 11 into 20 divided by 2 into 22 by 7. Simplify. Is it possible to take the 7 to the RHS? Already denominator, it's in denominator, taking to the numerator. It become what is it? 11 into 20 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. Right? Is it possible to simplify? Yes. See, 11, 1 is 11, 11 2s are 22, 2 times, right? Still we will simplify 1 times, 10 times, simplify 1 times, 5 times. So what is the remaining? 5 into 7. So r is equal to, what is it? R equal to 35. But what we want to find? Now we want to find the diameter. That is something but 2 times of radius. So diameter is equal to, right? Diameter is equal to 2r. That is 2 into 35 is equal to 70 centimeter. Therefore, the diameter of a Pooja's bicycle, right? The diameter of a Pooja's bicycle wheel is 70 centimeter. The diameter of a Pooja's bicycle wheel is 70 centimeter. Write in words. That's all. Sum number 8. Raja has a cart whose wheels are making 4 revolutions per second. 4 number of revolution, 4 revolution per second, right? If the diameter of the wheel 77 centimeter, find the speed of the cart, right? So given number of revolutions, right? Number of revolutions is equal to number of revolution per second is equal to 4. Right? Number of revolution per second is equal to 4. Next, what is the given? One more given. If the diameter of the wheel, right? So diameter of the wheel is nothing but 77 centimeter, right? Now what we want to find? What we want to find? Speed of the cart. Speed of the cart we want to find. How we want to find the speed? Already we know the formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. Already we know that speed is equal to, right? Yes, speed is equal to distance divided by time. So if we know the distance, then we can easily find that speed, right? Distance divided by time. If we are dividing distance by time, then we'll get the speed, right? So we want to find the distance. How we will find the distance? Yeah, we are having a formula. What is it? Number of revolution in 1 minute is equal to number of revolution in 1 second is equal to distance travel in 1 second divided by circumference. See, just keep the distance in the RHS, just bring the circumference of the wheel to the LHS and multiply, we will get the distance, right? If we know the distance and dividing by time, we will get the speed. So we are going to find the distance. But before solving, you have to keep one thing in your mind. We are going to find speed. We are having a speed with only two things, that is nothing but meter per second or kilometer per hour, right? Meter per second. That means the distance should be in terms of meter and the time should be in terms of seconds. Otherwise, the distance should be in terms of kilometer and the time should be in terms of hour. But see here, the time is nothing but per second, right? So time one. But see that the measurement is nothing but in terms of what is it? Centimeter, right? Now we are needed in terms of meter. So we have to convert in terms of meter. Otherwise you just find the distance. After finding the distance, finally we can convert to the meter, right? So first we will find the distance. So we know that what is it? Distance is equal to, right? Distance is equal to number of revolutions, right? Number of revolutions into circumference of the circle, into circumference of the wheel, right? Distance is equal to number of revolutions into circumference of the wheel. So it is equal to number of revolution. How many number of revolution? 4 into circumference of wheel. What is the formula? 2 pi r, right? 2 pi r. See, what is the value of diameter? We know that. First we can convert to the radius. Otherwise you can use the formula pi d. Better you can use the formula pi d. It's nothing but, I'm just converting this diameter to radius. So 77 divided by 2, right? So 4 into 2 into, what is the value of pi? 22 by 7 into, what is the radius? 77 divided by 2, right? Simplify. 2 will get cancelled. 7 table 1 times, 11 times. Nothing is there to simplify, right? What is the remaining in the numerator? 4 into 22 into 11, right? 4 into 22, 88, right? 22 into 4, 88 into 11. While we are multiplying 88 into 11, we will get 968 centimeter, right? So distance traveled in 1 second is equal to 968 centimeter. Distance traveled in 1 second, right? Per second. 1 second is equal to 968 centimeter. Now I am going to convert to the meter, because speed, for the speed always the distance should be in terms of meter or kilometer. So I'm just converting to the meters. So converting to the meter is something but dividing by 100, right? Centimeter to meter we want to divide by 100. Meter to centimeter we want to multiply by 100, right? So I'm just dividing by 100. 968 divided by 100 meter, right? So it's nothing but 9.68 meter. So distance traveled in 1 second, right? Distance traveled in 1 second. Traveled in 1 second is equal to 9.68 meter, right? So now I am going to find the speed of the cart, right? Speed of the cart is equal to, speed of the cart is equal to, what is it? Distance by time. Distance divided by time. Distance is nothing but 9.68 meter per second. Time is nothing but only 1 second. So it's nothing but 9.68 meter per second. Sum number 9. The wheels of a car are of diameter 80 centimeter each. How many complete revolutions does each wheel make in 10 minutes when the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour? So what are given? We are having diameter of a wheel, right? Diameter of a wheel is equal to 80 centimeter. That means radius is equal to 40 centimeter. Radius is equal to 40 centimeter. And next what we want to find, that's all. Any other given is there? When the car is traveling at a speed of 66 km per hour. So we are having speed. Speed is nothing but 66 km per hour. That means From the speed, we can get the distance. How much distance traveled in 1 hour? Per hour 66 kilometers speed is going means, then what is the distance traveled in 1 hour? Distance traveled in 1 hour is equal to 66 kilometer, right? 66 kilometer per hour, the speed of the car is nothing but 66 kilometer per hour means, then for 1 hour, how much kilometer it will cover? 66 kilometer. So distance traveled in 1 hour is equal to 66 kilometer, right? 66 kilometer. Next, anything we are having? Nothing is there. Next, what we want to find? To find any other givens are there? Nothing is there. Next, what we want to find? How many complete revolution does each wheel make in 10 minutes? So number of revolutions in 10 minutes we want to find. The number of revolutions in 10 minutes, right? So already we know the formula. Number of revolutions is equal to distance distance divided by circumference of the wheel, right? So first we are going to find one by one. So distance, for distance we are having 66 kilometer. It's in the form of kilometer, but see that the radius of the wheel is nothing but centimeter. So first we have to convert kilometer into centimeter, right? I told you that from the starting itself. I told you that whenever we are solving, both the units should be same, right? So I'm just converting that kilometer in terms of centimeter. So kilometer to meter is something but 66 into 1000 meter. I'm just converting to centimeter, then 66 into 1000 into 100 centimeter, right? 66 into 1000 into 100 centimeter. Okay, distance traveled in 1 hour, but we have to find only for the 10 minutes, right? Distance traveled for 10 minutes alone we want to find, right? Number of revolutions for only, they asking number of revolutions for 10 minutes, but here what is the distance we are having? Distance traveled for 1 hour we are having. So first we want to find the distance traveled for 10 minutes alone, because we are having the formula. What is it? Number of revolution in 10 minutes is equal to distance traveled in 10 minutes divided by circumference, right? So first I am just converting the distance traveled in 10 minutes. So distance travel in 10 minutes is equal to, right? How we want to convert? For 1 minute means divide by 60 into 10. 10 by 60, right? Converting hour to minute means divide by 60, right? Converting hour to 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, right? Hour 2 minutes means divide by 60, right? Divide by 60. But 10 minutes means just multiply by 10, right? Distance travel in 10 minutes is nothing but 66 into 1000 into 100, right? Divided by 60 into 10. Understood? I'm just converting this kilometer. This is nothing but per hour, converting to 1 minute and multiplying by 10, it will become 10 minutes, right? While we are dividing by 60, right? 66 kilometer traveled for 1 hour means, then for 1 minute, just I am dividing by 60, right? And multiplying by 10, then it will become, what is it? Distance traveled in 10 minutes. Just simplify. 0, 0 cancel. 6 1 times. Here 11 times. So what is the remaining? 11 into 1000 into 100 centimeter has been traveled for 10 minutes, right? 11 into 1000 into 100 centimeter distance traveled in 10 minutes. Now we are having distance travel in 10 minutes. Now we are having radius. So directly we can find the number of revolutions in 10 minutes. So what is number of revolution in 10 minutes? Number of revolutions in 10 minutes is equal to distance traveled in 10 minutes. Just write the formula. Distance traveled in 10 minutes divided by circumference of wheel. Distance traveled in 10 minutes is nothing but 11 into 1000 into 100. 11 into 1000 into 100 divided by 2 pi r. Circumference formula 2 pi r. Now we know the value of pi and r. Substitute and simplify. So 11 into 1000 into 100 divided by 2 into 22 by 7 into, what is the value of r? R is something but 40, right? What is the value of r? 40 centimeter. So 40, right? Taking 7 to the numerator, right? 7 to the numerator, then it will become, what is it? 11 into 1000 into 100 into 7 divided by 2 into 22 into 40, right? Now you can simplify. 1 0 0 cancel. 2 table 11 table 1 times 2 times. Next 2 table 1 times 5 times. 2 table 500 times. Then 4 table 1 time. How many times? 1 10 2 times 5 125. So 125 into 5 into 7. While we are multiplying 4375. So therefore in 10 minutes how many number of revolution the wheel of the car has been rotated? 4375 times. That's all. Thank you. Note down your homework sums.